guys, welcome back to our channel. We're the Tostevin sisters and my name's Lucy and we're back with Fit and 5 and we've got the trusty green dumbbells. If you're an OG and you've been here for a while, you've seen these before. Especially that one where Rosie did the 10-minute arms workout. She had the weights, I did it body weight. Funny. Anyway, guys, we're doing a total body HIIT and it's only 5 minutes long. If you've got some light dumbbells, grab them. Let's get going. Okay guys, we have your 5-minute total body cardio workout. Let's get ready to go. 45 seconds. Grab some light dumbbells and we are going to bring our legs nice and wide. We're going to come down, lift, down, lift. Good. Got some funky beats. The Epidemic Sounds playlist that we find really cracked me up. Good. Making sure you really squeeze your bum at the top of the movement and then bring those weights up in line with your chest when you stand. Good. Sumo squat, front raise. Good old little green dumbbells me and Rosie have had for as long as I can remember, but that's all you need today. These are 2 kilograms. Good. 3, 2, 1. Nice job, guys. Okay, your next one is going to be a bit spicy. Ready? Go move number 2. Dumbbell double press. Jump out, in, up. If you have heavier dumbbells, you might want to swing the weights up. But if you've got little ones, we're going for a press. This one's going to get that heart rate. I've got my Lara Croft hair today. I mean, it's a bit fluffy. I've still not had my post-lockdown haircut. But we're rocking it. And we're rolling it. Come on guys. Keep moving through. Push to the end. 45 seconds of double presses. Nice guys. Come on. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. Your next exercise is going to be a squat to punch. So you're going to bring those dumbbells to your shoulder, down, punch, down, punch. 45 seconds. Channel your inner Lara, just like me. Oh, my heart rate. Roll. I feel like this workout is going to be weird, but we're going to roll with it. And my shoulders are feeling it after the overhead press, front raise, and now these punches. Who doesn't want sculpted shoulders and a skinny body? Woo! Come on guys, let's go. Keep pushing for the full 45. The idea is that we're going to be out of breath. We're going to be sweaty. Good. 3, 2, 1. Lovely job, guys. Okay, your next exercise, come down to the floor. Bring those weights up to the ceiling. You're going to lift, press, drop, lower. Lift, press, drop, lower. So this one is slightly lower intensity, but it's that really great combo move, so we're getting the lower and the upper body at the same time. And then I'm going to make you jump for that 5th and final. Don't be turning off this video. You're going to work for the full 5 minutes. That's all you need today. Unless you're feeling super strong and you're going to do 2 rounds, maybe 3 rounds. That's the challenge, 3 rounds actually. You're going to repeat the video, you're going to see my weirdness 3 times through and you're going to get a real sweat on. Last one and rest. Woo, good job guys. Okay, dumbbell jack. Bring those weights up. You're going to jump in, out, Feel like my hair's crazy, but it doesn't matter because we're going to push for the final move of this workout. Nice. Good job, guys. Push. This song is great. It's giving me good vibes. You have to comment below. Is the playlist today giving you good vibes? Is my Lara hair giving you good vibes? Is my weirdness giving you good vibes? Who knows? At least I wasn't talking about croissants today, but I did manage to mention food somehow. Come on, guys. Bring it down. And we're done. Fit in 5, light dumbbells. Feeling the vibe? Comment below when you're done. See you soon.